Sorry, my dog's on the table. We just let her do what she wants.
That's not true.
Now Bobby's on the table.
Where are you going?
Hey guys, what's up? So, in today's video, I'm going to try to diffuse my hair. I've never done this before. I have naturally curly hair. It used to be a lot more curly, but I bleached it and kind of lost my curl pattern, and I was sad. So now my hair is kind of just like wavy and frizzy all the time and gross, and I hate it. So, try to diffuse, and don't bully me. If you're a curly hair fanatic, don't bully me for this video, because I honestly had no clue what I was doing. I thought that I was going to be way better at this because I'd watched so many videos on it, but my hair is very long and very heavy and has some heat damage. If I cut it, obviously it would diffuse better, but I'm obsessed with having long hair, and cutting it feels like a horror movie to me. So this is me diffusing my hair. And I hope you enjoy it and don't bully me for it. Okay, so I've been out of the shower actually for probably like 15-20 minutes. So my hair's already drying. My hair it's not super nasty, gross, damaged from the pink, but it's definitely not the healthiest it can be. I do have some breakage from the bleaching and dryness. My roots are also pretty grown out, but we're gonna fix that soon. But that's not what this video is about, okay? The videos that I watched, some girls used a gel curl cream and some girls used a foam mousse. I have both. I love both, so I'm gonna use a little bit of both. The leave-in conditioner that I use is NYC Hair IQ 10-in-1 leave-in treatment. I just started using this 2 or 3 months ago, maybe. My sister was using It's a 10, and Sydney was using It's a 10. So I was snagging some of theirs, and I really like that one. But if you're looking for a more affordable product, this is it. I got this at Target. I think it was like $7. It's a 10 is like 20 to like 35. The quality is better than this one, but for $7, I'm not mad at this. And then I also have some argan oil that I'm gonna put on the ends of my hair because they're a little dry. Back here is the breakage that I have. I mean, look at the difference. So yeah, let's get into this. I think I'm going to go in with the SydandMads Weightless Shine Curl Defying Jelly first. I just recently got this like 2 months ago. There's not any build up to this. Your hair doesn't feel gross, grimy, crunchy, greasy after you put it in, and that's what I enjoy the most. I put a nice amount of this in my hair and I literally never have a problem with it. So this is what we're about to do. So this is OGX. I've never used shampoo, conditioner, or body wash from them that I have not loved. So this is their Locking Plus Coconut Curls. It's coconut oil and shea butter, and it's a hydrating mousse. This is my favorite mousse that I've ever tried, but I will say that, like every other mousse, if you put too much of this in your hair, I'm falling over, you gonna be crunchy and gross looking. So, but I have a lot of hair, so don't judge me.
My dad's make it hurt.
And now that I worked a decent amount of all my products in my hair, I run my fingers through. And then I grab a little bit of oil and lather my hands in it and run that through just to lock in everything that I've just put in my hair. And I only concentrate the oil on like my ends mostly. And then I begin scrunching.
My dad's make it hurt.
Okay, this is where we're at right now. Not that curly because my hair is literally so heavy. I mean, am I stupid? Everything that I've read says try to avoid touching your hair with your hands as much as possible because that's what creates the frizz, and we don't want none of that. So here we go.
My dad's make it hurt.
I'm not mad at it. My hair used to be so much more curly, but I've bleached it, I've straightened it, I've dyed it. done, and it's just so long and so heavy. Okay, it feels nice. This was less than a 30-minute process, which is like crazy to me. For this to be my first time, I'm not mad. That is it for this video. I hope that you liked it. I hope that you maybe learned something from it. If you have any tips for me, let me know, because obviously I need them. If you have curly hair and you use a certain product or an oil that you really love, tell me about it, because I'm always open to new products. Hopefully I get better at this over time. My hair looks beautiful today, as you can tell. But yeah, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, make sure that you're subscribed, and leave a comment below, and I will see you guys